No days off, no excuses, pain talk. I speak.
It's episode 6 of It's Not Just Another Sports Show. And I'm Joy Gabby Andrews, and I'm sitting next to the famous Kapow.
Goeienaand Joy, Gabby Andrews.
Goeienaand, Kapow. Tonight we're at 158 Main Road at New York Slice Pizza. As lekker. Do you see it? Do you see the pizza? Do you want to taste the pizza? Here you go, Kapow. They've got stunning specials on a Monday especially, where you got to run 5 kilometers around the block. And once you've done running, you come back and get served delicious slices of pizza here at 158 Main Road. Have a bite. Don't just look at it. It's real. Fruit. Fruit. For real.
For real?
For real, for real.
For real?
For real. What's the review? See, it's not just a sports show. Here we do food, we do all codes, we do all passion, because this is not just another sports show. And?
Ek kan gou sluk in my maat gesê, jy praat met 'n mond vol kossie.
And you didn't even have to run for it. Whew, is dit lekker, no? Is dit lekker?
Ek het die woorde nie, ja, Joy sê vir ons wat is op ons agenda vanaand as voor ek verder gaan eet in hierdie slice van pizza hier so by New York Slice Pizza hier in 158 hier so Hoofweg in die Parel.
Come through. Before he finishes everything, today we have the special Cape Winans kickboxing as well as arm wrestling coming through. It's all sports. I'm so excited to hear what they've been doing and what they've yet to do.
Ja, Joy, voor ek nou jy vang my nou om kan eintlik nou daar by nog so appie gevat het, maar ek sien uit daarna om saam met die span ook van die skopboks kuns kode te gesels.
Right.
En hulle is in die huis en ja, so net na hierdie advertensiebreek, dan gaan ons praat oor ons naweek se sportgebeure. Ons gaan praat oor die rugby, die Blue Bulls het gespeel teen die All Blacks en dan gaan ons na die Boland se groot uitdagbeker. Ja, se rugby uitslag kyk van hierdie naweek.
That's it?
Ja, ons is nou weer terug net na hierdie advertensiebreek. Goeienaand en welkom hier by episode 6 van Not Just Another Sports Show. Rechtstreeks hierso van New York Slice Pizza 158 Hoofweg hier in die Parel. Ja, en saam met my geen anders as die lieflike dame. Sy is fenomenaal. Joy Gabby Andrews. Goeienaand Joy.
Good evening,
En
Kapow.
dan net langsaan is dit meneer Anders Sohail Gous.
No, just Soil. Okay, hi guys, how's it?
What's up? Just to help.
Just Soil. Maybe I must just change my name to just not Soil. But anyway, you know what? Okay, so let's quickly have I'm gonna go through because we had an exceptional weekend of sports.
Right.
The Curry Cup, obviously, and then with the Curry Cup there was also Blue Bulls played on Saturday night.
It had so much stuff going on this
Yeah,
weekend.
it was a messy game anyway.
Chassis.
It was a messy game, so I'm not going to go into that.
Hoekom glimlag jy as jy praat van die bulle? Jy weet nie mos ek is 'n bil, maar dit was glad nie 'n Messi game nie. Ek moet net sê Messi is daar by Argentinië, maar ek wil net sê fenominale wedstryd. Die krag het na vore gekom van die All Blacks en ek moet sê 1950 klink soos 'n geskiedenisdatum, maar
My movie was history, mate. But I've got to say, but the one thing is, you bulle, no? Kom Kaap toe, kom leer hoe die rugby te
ja,
speel.
julle weet die Stormers se manne het in die eerste wedstryd van hierdie openings van die Credits Rivalry toetsereeks. Het hulle teen die 5de span van die All Blacks gespeel en ek dink hierdie span wat verlede Saterdag gespeel het teen die Bulle waar 1950 gebeur het. Hierdie span is dan 3/4 en ek glo self 3/4 van die toetsspan van die All
Okay,
Blacks.
no, look here, if whatever All Black team it is, it's a full All Black team. But that was our C team anyway. But it was good, but we're waiting for the first test match that's coming Saturday. But anyway, you know what? It is that time of the year, we're looking at the awards ceremonies that's happening. So for the Sports Woman of the Year, and I've been waiting for this one, Kapow Laura Wolfert. She's one of the nominees for Sports Woman of the Year. I knew that was going to happen because they had an exceptional season. Not a good World Cup, but a great season. And then in the canoe, Kira Bester and then Prudence, she's been dominating the track. Then Sportsman of the Year, I knew this guy's gonna make it because Commonwealth Games, he was just a man to watch. backstroking everywhere. Peter Coetzee. I'm not even going to talk about others because I'm rooting for Peter Coetzee to be the man of the Sportsman of the Year. Then I think this is where we literally come in for Sports Star of the Year. Malcolm Marx, once again, is there. He was brilliant for the Springboks last year. Mr. Demba Bavuma, he's there as well. And then Akini Simba, you can't throw this light away. He broke his own personal best, not once, not twice, but 3 times.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, just under 10.
Ja, Joy sê gou vir ons, jy weet nou seker van die sportsterre wat ons praat, die van Akini Sabine.
Nee, ek weet jy gaan nie eens lieg nie. I'm
Ja.
learning on the spot with both of you.
Baie dankie, maar ek moet sê ons kan ons sportsterre nominasies kan ons instuur, maar ons moet regtig op die internasionale front moet ons na vore tree waar dit regtig saak maak. En die arm wat mense dit
Arm wrestling.
in Afrikaans weet die arm
Stoei.
arm
Druk.
druk.
Is dit stoei of druk?
Is
dit druk? Ek dink is druk.
Wil jy druk?
Ons gaan druk.
Ek dink is druk.
Okay, but anyway, so also I've got more awards, which is the National Federation of the Year. They're going to have a look at that. One, golf is there. I've got tennis SA there, and then cricket SA. Cricket's going to take that one. But team of the year, sports team of the year, Proteas men's test cricket. They're anyway going to take it. And then we've got coach of the year, Shukri Konrad is also on that list. So that there we've got a lot of things.
Ja, ek is nou nie eintlik ten gunste van hierdie nominasies nie, maar kom ek sê, ons staan ons almal in die wêreld bekend as wat?
The best team in the world. Oh,
In die cricket staan ons bekend as
the Proteas.
the Chokers, ja, maar ek wil net sê,
No, look, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go with you, fight with you on that. We're not the chokers. We are peanut butter.
ja, ek is bly ons het ons opinies is nie in een stroomie is verskillende loop in verskillende rigtings. Dit is waaroor not just in sport sou gaan. Wat sê ek Gabby?
What's the answer?
Armdruk.
Arm
Okay.
druk. Got
So,
it.
all right. So that's it from me, guys. It is going to be groot uitdag. We'll talk about that later onwards. But that's it from me. It is not just another sports show. It's all codes, all
All
passion.
passions?
One show.
One show en direk seksie so van 158 hierso in die hoofwegparel van New York Pizza. Welkom terug van die advertentiebreek van Not Just Another Sports Show, restrictie van 158, hierso in hoofwegparel van New York Slice Pizza. Ja, lekker pizza, ek het hom geproe, lekker pizza. Wel, ons gaan kyk na jou naweek se sportuitslae. Rugby en nogmaals rugby, Gabby, of Swale?
I don't know about about Joy, Gabby Andrews.
I did tell you, Suhail, that I'm going to learn all this rugby lingo with you.
It's not
So
just
this is the moment to teach me what happened.
Okay, not
School
just
us.
rugby. It's not just rugby,
Oh,
but this
cricket
has not
and
happened.
soccer and alles. Show me, teach
all right.
me.
So we had a lot of rugby taking place.
Okay.
Just to get you comfortable. It
Right.
was inter-schools as well. Derby, it was Polish and Noorapal that played it this past weekend. Gotta say, schoolboy rugby always brilliant, and those two schools, we'll get there. And then we've got the sports awards coming up, so I want to get into that as well. And yeah, so first of all, Kapau, it was groot uitdag, week. What is it? I think it's week number.
Is week nommer ek dink is laat ons net seker maak hierso. Is ek kan nie ons self
No,
sê.
never mind. But it's week number. Yeah.
Okay.
So and then we've got a cup week now around number 5.
Yeah.
Okay, nee, that I know.
Okay.
And then Blue Bulla.
Ja, okay, waar ons eens begin by die
Alright.
groot uitdag.
Yes, ons gaan by die groot uitdag. A team I thought that's gonna be very successful this season. Lost against Ceres this past weekend. Hillcrest and Ceres played 64, 56. It was a lot of tries obviously scored in that match. I just feel a little bit disappointed.
Wel, dit het 'n groot stamp en 'n knou gegee vir die manne van Wellington Hillcrest United, want Hillcrest United veg hard vir 'n plek om deur te dring na die top 12 toe. En dit het 'n knou gegee op die einde van die dag. Ceres het teruggekom na hulle verloor verlede week. En so dit wil sê die werk was gedoen. Daar was hard op die veld gepraat en Ceres het die knoppie deurgehak. Ceres is nog wel nie deel. Hulle kan definitief nie terugkeer na die top 12 nie, maar Hillcrest, hulle sal hulle pad reguit moet maak as hulle wil seker maak om vir Roses United my spannetjie dan in te kry dan daar.
Okay, I'm going to go to your team, all right? And
Wait, what is your team? Who is your team?
he's a rose.
Oh, he's a rose?
I don't know why, but anyway.
I'm a rose. I'm a rose between the thorns, but okay, you're a rose.
Okay, so that the score there was Villages Newton 17, and I think they got Roses United gave them a rugby lesson. This is how you need to score tries. This is how you
Okay.
need to run the ball, and that, so 17.
So they dominated.
Of course,
It
yeah.
sounded like they destroyed.
Wel, Joy, as jy nou daaraan dink 1770. Dis weer eens 'n geskiedenisdatum
Right.
wat in daardie jare gebeur 1770. So ja, rugbyles was geleer dan daar vir die manne van Newton Villages. Newton Villages is die eerste keer wat hulle hierdie jaar deurgedring het en hulle doen eintlik uitstekend vir 'n span wat vir die eerste keer weer in die top liga rugby speel. Die Bodan se groot uitdag daar in die Wit Sentraal. So ja, geen skande nie, maar daar was 'n rugbyles geleer.
Okay, so I'm going to move over to the Blue Bulls match because the greatest rivalry is taking place. And this weekend, it is Springboks up against the apparently mighty All Blacks. Apparently mighty All Blacks. So it's about.
Apparently. Why apparently?
Because that's big. Okay, one, they played against our franchises, and the only franchise that actually gave them a lekker hiding, almost a lekker hiding, but lost was the Stormers. And this past weekend, it was the Blue Bulls up against the mighty All Blacks.
Right.
For them, you can say the mighty All Blacks because it was 50.
Okay.
Look at him. Just look at his face.
Is he? He doesn't sound impressed or look impressed.
Wel, kan ek maar aankom daar?
Ja, kom.
Joy, Gabby, Andrews, jy weet, die bulle was eintlik die krak wat die All Blacks wil graag wil getoets het. Die Stormers hulle eerste wedstryd van die openingstoer van die Greatest Rivalry Tour wat hulle tans hier in Suid-Afrika doen. Hulle het eintlik teen 'n vyfspan gespeel van die Stormers en toe het hulle dan so het die All Blacks dan opgeskuif en hulle het dan vir die Haie dan naar in die high tank het hulle 54-0 gewen en hulle krak was eintlik Saterdag getoets dan op Loftusversveld 1950 weer eens 'n geskiedenisdatum 1950 ek weet nie
So wait, so there wasn't a rugby lesson, no?
dit was nie 'n rugby lesie
It was a rugby
dit was
lesson.
nie 'n rugby lesie
Okay, but anyway, I want to move on. Want to move on, and I want to get to the results. Not the results, but we've got awards happening as well, sports awards. You can check out our socials because all the scores will be on there as well. I'm going to look at, first of all, Coach of the Year. It's Rocco Meiring in swimming, and then we've got Shukri Conrad. He's been phenomenal. Also, I'm going to move quickly through this, guys, because there's so much to talk about. Sportswoman of the Year, Laura Walford. I wanted her in. She's there for the cricket. She's been phenomenal the entire season, but just in the World Cup, she struggled a bit with the batting. And for you, one, Sportsman of the Year, Peter Kutsia. He was just brilliant in the Commonwealth Games. And then Sports Star of the Year, I've got two names for you. Who do you think is going to take it? It's either going to be Timba Bavuma or I'm going to put my money on Malcolm Marx for rugby as well. So go check it out. You drop your answer. Don't let Kapau interfere with what he wants to say. You tell Kapau it's either Malcolm or Timba Bavuma. And that's it for me.
you know Themba Bavuma, Joy
I don't, but I see the dance move. I think his name comes with the Themba Mavumba.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not the Madiba one, but Timba Mavuma.
Okay.
wat het jy gesê van die swemmers
Peter Kutsia.
En ek dink Pieter Kutsie gaan hierdie keer wegstap in die laure want ons cricket daar is te veel nominasies en te veel bekers wat hulle so vat en dit is slag tyd dat die swem en die manne wat daar so vir ons mooi verteenwoordig daar by die Commonwealth spele hulle deur kan kom want Chadwick Clough het met 'n groot aanslag gekom en hy het daai jong spelers jong swemmers het hy deurgebring en hulle kan getuig van en ek dink man soos Kutsie verdien dan so 'n wen. En my geld is op Kutsie. Kan ons gou net 'n wetenskap aangaan?
No, I don't bet.
As Kutsie gaan wen, dan word jou hare gesny en
Which hair?
I don't hear. I've got no hair. I've got nothing here.
I see a lot of hair
No,
here.
just believe. That's it's
I see a
untouchable.
lot of hair
That's
here.
we can't touch. But anyway, that's it from me. Until next time, Kapau. Just close off, please, man. This feature was brought to you with the compliments of.
dis hier by New York Slice Pizza hier so 158 Hoofweg hier in die Parel. Ons is nou weer terug net na hierdie advertensiebreek.
And Lucky Auto in Car Wash.
of chatting with 3 champions that take part in arm wrestling. Tell me about yourselves. Introduce yourselves. It's the 3 J's.
I'm Francois. I've been to nationals at arm wrestling.
Last week, right?
Yes, last week.
Yeah, you tell me more about it just now. And you are Joshua.
Yes, I'm Joshua.
Joshua. And the coach that sits so serious. The training is done, Mr. John Mayer.
Oh, thank you.
Ja?
Yes, en hulle het baie goed gedoen. Ek is baie trots op hulle.
So you guys did well. Tell me all about it. Tell me how you prepare to train. What's the process?
It was a lot of training. I must say, it's a lot of commitment. Training every week, getting together with the club. The weight cutting was quite hard, but we got through it.
So weight cutting is where you can't eat everything, right?
Yeah, so I try to cut
But-
out the fats, and
The weight cutting is done.
it's done. Yeah.
So you can have pizza, right?
100%.
Because we are at a pizza place.
100%.
So after this, you're going to get your pizza on,
Obviously.
right? So tell me, if I wanted to do arm wrestling, what are the pros? What do I need to do? How do I need to look? What goes into all of that?
Well, firstly, you have to train vigorously.
Right.
It's a very dedicated and disciplined sport. If you don't train, you're not going to succeed. But look for a club that fits you. People are nice, that will support you and help you in it.
How did you guys get into it?
A friend of mine actually, they took me to nationals 2 years ago. We were spectating, and I fell in love with the sport from them.
Have you
So
only been doing it for 2 years?
2 years.
And
yes.
you're a pro already. That's like accelerated speed and finesse and strength. What a wow. People take like a lifetime to become a pro, so that's like an accomplishment. Nice.
Thank you.
So you saw it, you liked it. What about it intrigued you?
I was never really good at team sports, so I chose arm wrestling because it relies on myself. So that's why I
Okay.
tried that.
And is it both arms or do you have a favorite arm?
Both arms.
Both arms are
But my
good.
favorite arm's now my right arm.
Your right arm and yours?
Also right.
Right. I won't even dare like think I can compete with y'all, but after this, there's got to be someone that's going to take y'all on, and I don't know who's going to win. I'm assuming you're going to win. One of y'all will win.
Hopefully.
Between the two of you, who's got the stronger arm?
Him, by far.
It's him.
Look at y'all being so modest about it. Are there any ladies that take part in this?
Well, yes, there's some girls. It'd be nice if there could be more girls competing.
Ladies, that's your cue. It's Women's Month. Come through, come through. Let's show the guys we've got some muscles in our arms. It's not just a male sport, right?
100%.
Right. And from what age can you start?
I think. I
Armdruk,
don't- yeah.
armdruk kan jy van 14 jaar af kompeteer al, op 'n nasionale vlak waar ons nou kompeteer. Tot op 2 jaar terug was ek by die wêreldkampioenskap in Moldova. Oudste ou wat gedruk het 77 uit USA.
Oh, wow.
So ja, dan tussen 14 en 77 jaar oud.
Nice. And where would one go to partake? Where in Paul?
As hulle 'n Parel armdruk wil doen, kan hulle my met die grootste liefde kontak op 084 821 9399 of hulle kan na ons Wildlands Arm Wrestling Facebook page gaan. Ons gaan like, comment los en ja, ons sal terugkom na hom toe definitief.
Okay. And what does it take personality-wise to do arm wrestling?
Yeah. A lot of commitment. That's
So you got to be disciplined.
definitely.
Okay, so if parents are struggling with their children not listening or they're just too lost, this is the kind of sports you do to get them in a rack and in order. Am I right?
Exactly,
And then you come out bulky. Oh, imagine having summer arms.
Ek dink nie net armdruk is die enigste gedissiplineerde sport nie. Dis die enigste sport wat ek dink wat jy jouself na 'n tafel toe vat en teen iemand anders te kompeteer is wat jy insit is wat jy gaan uitkry op die tafel die aand of die dag wanneer jy kompeteer. So dis baie hard werk. Ek kan na Joshua kyk wat sy eerste nationals hierdie jaar gedruk het en Francois se tweede ene. Hoe Francois van 2 jaar terug af wat hy sy eerste nationals in Johannesburg gedoen het en hierdie in Nelspruit hierdie jaar het hy 200% verbeter.
Oh, wow. So
Yeah.
it builds your character as well, and you just get better at that.
Definitief.
So if you were to say something to the team that's watching this, what would you say to them?
They're all great. I wouldn't have been here without them. They made me who I am today in arm wrestling. So yeah.
It sounds like there's a lot of teamwork, there's a lot of vibe, there's a lot of family in it as well. It's like you start the sports and you just come out with a whole squad. Is there something that you would want to say to them?
Oh no, I 100% agree. The community is something else. Family that you build, it's unlike anything else.
Coach?
Ja, ag armdruk is 'n sport wat jy op die tafel gaan en jy sal sien as ons nou in 'n kompetisie ingaan, ons sal hulle twee teen mekaar druk en wys hoe dit gedoen word. Skud jy hand as jy regs druk, skud jy links, as jy links druk, skud jy regs. So dit is 'n baie vriendelike sport en dis die enigste ding wat ek ook gesien wat jy kan voor die tyd met jou opponent praat en gesels en as jy op die tafel gaan, dan het jy vir mekaar respek.
Interesting, very interesting. How many days a week do you guys have to train for this?
Well, I train 5 days a week.
Every day, 5 days a week?
5 days a week.
And what does that consist of? Just like,
Strength training.
okay.
Table time is important, and endurance training as well.
Do you also train 5 days a week?
Yes, I do. Weight training, once a week we get together at the club and get a bit of table time, press against each other and stuff. But at home is where the discipline comes in. We have to put in the work.
And where do you see this sports going within the next 5 years?
I think it's going to go very far, especially with social media getting that exposure.
There's more
So,
people interested in it.
Exactly.
I'm definitely interested in it, and I also feel like I liked the food cutting just for that summer body and for the arm training and the discipline and the character. It sounds like a big vibe.
En armdruk ook is 'n sport wat jy in ouderdoms gaan en in 'n 10 jaar surplus en dan ook in 'n gewigkategorie druk. So dis 'n baie regverdige sport. Jy word nie net teen iemand gegooi, soos ons drie sal nooit ons teen mekaar druk nie want ek is te swaar vir hulle. So dit is 'n baie regverdige sport oor die hele tafel. En ek sien die laaste 5 jaar wat ons Winelands en Parel het ons gegroei van 4 armdrukkers na 16 toe wat ons nou aktief armdruk in die klub.
Oh wow, so it's definitely
growing,
growing
yeah.
and expanding, and it's exclusive for everyone. From whatever I thought of it, you guys have just enlightened me with a whole lot more. He has shared his number. Get involved. Females, males, everybody is invited to partake in this sport. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Baie dankie. Right, ready, go. Stop. Warning. Jump start. Ready, go.
Ja, welkom terug hier so net na die advertensiebreek van Not Just Another Sport Show. Reeks ek hier van 158 hier so in die Hoofweg in die Parel van York Slice a Pizza. Ja, jy kan sien hoe die dames het nou eintlik die slice nou toe daar, maar dit is hier so in die Hoofweg hier in die Parel. Fantastiese lekker pizzas. Luister, ek is bevoorreg om hier so 2 dames saam met my hier so op episode van Not Just Another Sport Show hier saam met my te hê. Ja, hulle is van die Cape Winelands se Skopkuns Federasie. Hulle noem kickboxing. Jean-Claude van Dam se kickboxing mense is aan die huis. Goeienaand dames.
Hallo. Hallo.
Dis dan so 'n lekker laggie daai. Hallo dames.
Hi. Hallo. Dankie, lekker om hier te wees. Dankie, Kapau.
Wel, dit is maar so deel van die Not Just Another Sport so om julle gemaklik en lekker te laat voel. Niks hierso, ek wil niks aggressief in julle oë sien hierso nie. Ek ken mos al uitkyk van daai kant af. Juffrou, stel gou vir jou voor.
My naam is Demony Wiese. Ek is deel van die Cape Winelands en Weskaap kickboxing span. En ja, is lekker om hier te wees.
Sê vir my gou jy 'n oukie.
Nee, ek het nie.
Ja, kan gelukkig wees, né? En juffrou, geen bekendstelling nodig, 'n dame wat ook haar eie sportprogram het wat vroue bemagtig, wat ons mense bemagtig, wat ons kinders bemagtig, oral waar sy gaan met haar alle projekte wat hulle van stapel gestuur het. Juffrou, stel vir jou voor.
Karine de Wet, proudly a bulliebuster. Dis wat jy gesoek het. Cape Winans Kickboxing, secretary en dan ook 'n fighter, recently geraak.
Is dit jou introduksie?
Familie van Jacques Clone en Bruce Lee se niggie.
Ja, dis lekker om sulke mense hier so. Ek moet maar net op in my noppies wees wat ek met hulle praat. Dames van jou kant af, sê vir my gou, waar het alles vir jou begin? Jy lyk so na 'n persoon wat nou net hoekom en waar het alles vir jou begin in hierdie skopkuns?
Het was nooit mijn intentie eigenlijk om te beginnen. Maar een dag het ek my broer besluit ons wil 'n klein bietjie soos selfverdedigingsklasse begin. Toe het ons na ons klub toe gegaan, Titans MMA, en toe het ons coach ons daar 'n paar ringe gewys en toe ons oortuig om 'n paar boksklasse te begin. Van daar af was dit maar net 'n liefde vir die sport ontdek en ons my eerste fight gedoen wat 'n boksfight was. En van daar af net meer en meer begin beklei en toe in Cape Wineland span gekom en ja, toe Weskaap span en toe net al hoe meer gevorder.
Is dit kry jy baie seer?
Ek dink 'n Wes word maar gewoond. Maar aan die begin is dit maar 'n bietjie van 'n aanpassing as jy eers keer geslaan raak in die gesig of so. Maar ek dink dit gee my ouers meer grys hare as vir my. Maar
nee, dit is goed om te hoor, Karine. Jy lag hier so lekker hier so. Waar het alles vir jou begin?
2021. Deur trauma het kickboxing 'n healing proses geraak. En ja, nou vele kere van aangerand word in slegte situasies gewees het van deur my dogter verloor en daai. Toe kom die liefde vir kickboxing en dit begin healing te wees vir my. En nou heal dit my net al hoe verder en verder.
Okay, ja, julle is in 'n sportkode wat gedomeineer word deur ons die mans. Ek is hier, ek weet ek sal seker die eerste hoor sal ek gesê. Ek weet nie wat aan doen kan so. Hoe ervaar julle dit?
Ja. Ek dink dit is baie belangrik die omgewing waarin jy oefen. Ek dink vir my persoonlik, dit is 'n man gedomeineerde sport, maar ek dink dit is so belangrik om mans te kry wat jou die beste uit jou uitbring. Ek dink die mans met wie ons oefen, weet hulle is daar om ons te help, om ons te druk, maar in 'n veilige en beheerde omgewing. So hulle is nie daar om dit te wil domineer of enigiets dit nie, maar om jou sterker te maak. Ek dink as jy teen 'n man goed kan beklei, sal 'n vrou daarom vir jou nie te erg wees nie. So ek dink dit ja, dis belangrik wie jou spanmaats is. Dat ego in die pad kom nie.
Okay, as julle nou oefen teen mekaar, ek is nou by jou Karine, as julle twee nou oefen mekaar die man soos jy nou sê nou. Maak julle speletjies of speel julle nie slaan julle regtig mekaar?
Nee, ons slaan regtig. Ek dink die mans beheer dit 'n bietjie beter. Om nou nie seer te maak nie, maar dit is nie speletjies nie. Ek dink ons coach ek altyd soos hoe jy oefen is hoe jy gaan veg op die dag. So jy moet dit maar ernstig vat en ja.
Geniet jy dit dan?
Nee, dis ongelooflik. Ek dink 'n mens leer baie meer as net om in die ring te beklei. Daar's baie lewenslesse daarin ook.
En Karine, vir jou?
Dit is uitdagend en dit is wat my dryf. Dit is ja 'n mans dominerende sport, maar die minuut jy in die dojos instap, stap jy in 'n plek van veiligheid. Dit lyk heavy en dan ja die slaan, die houe, die kicks, alles is reël, maar jy's 'n warrior as jy daar is. Jy's nie 'n street fighter nie. Jy het respek en as jy plat geslaan word in jou nuus bloei, dis deel van die sport. Dit het met my gebeur recently, maar
Het jy gehuil?
ek het nog gehuil baie keer. Ek dink ek en Demonay deel iets baie persoonlik waar ons albei saam gehuil het.
Okay. Ja. Alright. Demonay, sê vir my gou, waar sien jy vir jou julle onlangs deelgeneem aan 'n kompetisie?
Ek het in April deelgeneem aan SA's. En toe het ek van ja, nou afgevat. Ek het 'n onlangs operasie gehad, besering gehad. So ek sal eers weer volgende jaar beklei.
Okay, waartoe sien jy die sport kortliks Waar sien jy die sport kortliks vorentoe vir julle as dames in hierdie sportkode?
Ek dink die sport het ongelooflik gegroei die afgelope paar jaar en soos Garine is 'n baie groot deel daarvan hoe die sport groei en om vrouens net gemaklik te kry om deel te neem aan die sport en dat dit nie is dat hulle hoef bang te wees nie. Ek dink as ons klein federasies kan groei en groter kompetisies kan begin hou en meer geld in die federasies kry, sal dit verskriklik baie help. Dat ons net meer kan domineer eintlik teen groter federasies ook.
Ja, Karin, kortliks die laaste van jou kant af, hoe kan julle bygestaan word? Wat is julle pleidooi?
Dit mos maar altyd finansiëel, want ons kleiner klubs, ons is 'n federasie wat bestaan uit verskillende klubs.
Ja.
So ons as in ons boeliebeste program reik ons uit na die gemeenskap toe waar ons geen geld vra nie en ons train vir hulle. So ons het nie altyd finansies om te reis soontoe nie, maar ons doen dit baie keer uit ons eie sakke uit.
Voor ek totsiens aan julle sê, ons kan lekker praat. Sê vir my, as julle op die sosiale media beskikbaar, waar kan hulle vir julle kry?
Facebook, Titans Sports Academy, op Instagram, Titans Powers, en dan ook Cape Winans Kickboxing.
Ek staan nou nog as dit 'n defensive mode.
'n bietjie Lagiane. Lagiane. Jy protect jou gesig.
Ja.
Demonay wys gou.
Nou, yes, ek wil die Demonay, ja, Karin Demonay, ek sê julle baie dankie weer eens en sterkte met julle met vroue in hierdie sportkode en maak julle van krag tot krag gaan en meer vrouens na julle area en julle sportkode toe dan lok, né?
Baie dankie.
Moenie in moeilikheid soek met hierdie dames af jou les of 2 leer hierso en moenie sê ek het hier vir julle gewaarsku nie. Ons is nou weer terug net na hierdie advertensiebreek van Not Just Another Sport Show episode 6 rechtstreeks hierso vanuit die Hoofstraat hier in die Parel van New York Pizza Slices. Nou weer terug. Welkom terug na die advertensiebreek van Not Just Another Sport Show. Ja, hierdie episode word hier dan vir jou gebring regstreeks van New York Slice Pizza hier in 158 Hoofweg hier in die Parel. En dit het nou tyd geword vir ons community sterre van die week. En dat hierdie community sterre van die week word vir jou gebring aan Lucky Otto Kawas. Dit kan geen anders aan die man wat vir die Blou Bulle gespeel het, al het hulle verloor 1950. Dit is Sravino Jacobs, 'n man van gimnasium, links-regs geswenk. Hy het so daar ingeswenk en hy het agter die lyn gaan kuier en dis die doel. So wel gedaan aan Sravino Jacobs. Gabby?
And that's a wrap of It's Not Just Another Sports Show. Episode 6 was everything lekker. Don't forget to come check out 158 Main Street, New York Slice Pizza. Get yours. They've got specials every day. Today's Tuesday, and they've got an all you can eat. For adults, it's 140. For kids, it's 90 rand. Come get full. Come get liquor. It's been great being here, right? And to get more of us, check out our socials on Instagram. And on Instagram, it is not.just.show, and Facebook and YouTube is It's Not Just Another Sport Show.
Weer eens baie dankie vir almal wat opgedaag het, ons gaste dan hierso op by Not Just Another Sport Show. Episode 6.
Was lekker.
Dit was lekker.
Nee.
Tot volgende keer. Tot ziens.